Hello, Starlights, and Happy New Year! May you be even more excited to achieve your goals. In this video, I am working on one of my prints of Inka as seen in one of my previous videos, where I'll be doing her as well as a series of other mushroom characters that I've done on a bunch of cards, bookmarks, and things like that to sell at art fairs and conventions. And each one of the pieces will be on a small bit of mindfulness, whether it's a saying or just a word. So for instance, this piece is focused on growth and how it can surprise us when we least expect it. There's so much that we would have learned, but we've forgotten until we stop to take a good look at our surroundings. Now you're probably wondering why she's shedding a tear, and it's because she's surprised at the growth that's suddenly sprouting out from her hands and also her chest. I wanted to show that she hasn't been afraid to explore different avenues, so I wanted to give her a purple dress and also that she's growing out her hair. One thing that I've learned over the years is to try different avenues and not to be afraid of trying new things out. And you don't have to stick to one thing throughout the years, it can be anything, because once that's down, you've got so many things in your back pocket that are ready for people to suddenly ask, oh, can you do this thing? Are you able to try this out? Or how many years of experience do you have in this? And you're already prepared for it. What are some of the goals that you're going for this year? And if there's any short-term goals that aren't as massive, you can list them too, so it's a bit easier. Now is the best time to start journaling and reaping the benefits of it, such as processing negative emotions that may have been trapped in your mind and just spewing them all out onto the paper. And then in the future you can come back to see how far you've come and how you've overcome this situation that you was in. You can also use journaling for prompts such as going to a new event and making sure to describe everything in detail, such as making new friends if you learned something new. And it's a great way to boost your mood in general. It's also a great way of staying motivated to achieve your goals and coming back to it sort of like a diary. And it keeps you in check for anything that you've wanted to do in future. I hope that you continue to be strong throughout this year and push through any hurdles because they're only temporary. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.